We'd never worked with an architect before. We'd certainly worked closely with builders, and I think even our first home that we built in the late 80s, Frank actually originally drew on some graph paper. So we weren't unfamiliar with the process of building, but to have a professional architect and a whole team behind him, we felt much more confident that the quotes were being scrutinised properly and that we were actually going to get a quality build. Dion and his team certainly involved us right from the get-go with regard to not only the design but the selection of fittings and fixtures and of course colours. He's got such a great team that can provide such great advice and very good taste, obviously, so we really didn't have to change very much because it was all of such great taste and great standard. When we were first shown the animated walkthrough video, it was so far removed from what we were actually living in at the time. It was hard to imagine that it could actually be achieved. But I went back and had a look at that video not long ago, and it's quite amazing how much, it is exactly what we were told we were going to get. I mean, the lifestyle that the new design provides means that, it's so much more convenient for not only our human family, but our dogs as well. and it's just been great living here. Well, this kind of a project could never have been done as a DIY project. For a start, we aren't in the industry, and I know the shows you see on TV all sound wonderful, but a project this size needs a professional team to be actually managing it. And so we felt it was money well spent. We have a fairly unusual family situation here, given that we've got 4 generations living on the property. And so it was really important that we work with an architect who could understand not only the needs of that diverse group, but also the fact that we wanted to create a forever home, and something that not only my mum, us, our children and our grandchildren and the dogs can enjoy over time. Without a doubt, having a professional architect on board has brought a great value to the project. Not only it gave us peace of mind, but we felt we got good value, quality tradespeople and an excellent outcome. We'd certainly work with Dion again, and we'd certainly recommend him to anyone who is considering a renovation of this size. It's all been just what we wanted.